Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to tell you like how to import our checkpoint R80.40 image in VMware virtual machine. So for that, we need to create virtual machine. While creating virtual machine, it will ask to import that image. So we'll do that things here. And in second lecture, I will tell you like how to upgrade our R80.40 to R80.10 with the help of CPUs and what should be the hardware requirement, what should be the RAM required, how many CPU required, and how many space should be required in LB current. Okay. See here, I have already imported that image, but I will try to remove here and will import again for you guys. Just right click and so for removing, first we need to shut down these devices. So once it's shut down, we can easily remove from here. And again, I will try to import to show you guys. So it is going to be halt, means shut down, and it is halting the system. So now we can easily remove it. Just right click and see here, it's asking like remove option is enabled. So if it was off, it was not showing, but once I done the power off, I'm able to see like remove option. So I just remove it. Okay. This is my EVNG virtual machine. So I will not touch anything for here. Just create new virtual machine. Okay. Click next. We need to browse your image. So suppose if you are installing as a fresh install, like graph fresh install, R80.40 fresh installed image. For that, we need to select .iso. It is already mentioned here. And from Checkpoint portal, we can easily download this image. Just type on the browser like I will also show you once it's start importing, I will show you how to download the R80.40 image. So once you download it, then keep anywhere in your location, just browse it, click on next. It is asking for like which operating system you want. So I will keep as Linux. Then click on next, which what should be the name of your virtual machine. So I will give like gateway, then R80.40. Okay. By default, it is taking these locations. So I will keep as it is. We can change as per your requirement. Suppose it is not enough space in C drive, so we can select any drive as per your space. Or if you want to keep from other drive, so we can keep it. So click on next. It is asking for like maximum disk size. So minimum is 20 GB required. Maximum you can give as per requirements. I will give like 200 GB. Okay. Then click on next and finish. So see here. Now my virtual machine is ready. We can see like R80.40 is imported in this virtual machine. Okay. And memory is 4 GB by default, processor 2, but we can increase as per your requirement. Suppose if you want to make this VM as a SMS, means security management server. Suppose if you want to make as a standalone device. So for that we need to give some more memory, more like 8 GB, 6 GB. 8 GB is required, and we can also check these things on checkpoint side. Like for SMS, how many minimum memory required, how many processors required, how many hard disks is required, minimum. So we can check from that portal and we can also do here. So I'm just keeping this as a gateway. I want to make this VM as a gateway. I've already imported, the image in this VM, and I will use that R8.40 as a gateway, not a standalone device, not SMS. Okay. So just click on the play power on virtual machine. So, it will ask for the install. So we need to click install Gaia on this system. Okay, because you are doing first time. So it will take, it will take some time. In lab, it will take very less time, 20 minutes max. But if you are doing the production, so maybe it will take more time. But if you are doing the lab, it will take less time. And this is my recommendation, guys, as per my industry experience. Suppose you have the lab environment, and in production, if you want to upgrade any devices, you suppose gateway, like your current version R80.40, and if you want to upgrade from R80.40 to R80.10, so I will suggest to do first in your lab, because whatever error we get, we can fix it, we can delete it, we can remove it. In the lab, we can do anything, but in the production, we can't do anything, right? So try to do in your life first, and it will give more confidence, guys, to do in the production. So this is my way. So just click on OK and then enter, then click on OK. Then here you're asking for admin credentials. I will keep like admin123, admin123. And here you're asking for your management IP address. So we can give as your unique configuration, as per your VMware, network adapter configuration. So my management subnet is 192.168.137. So I will give like 103 IP here. Subnet mask will be same, and gateway will be 192.168.137.2. So this is my management configurations. You can give as per your requirement. So once you click on the OK and enter it, it will go for the installation process. Okay, it will take some time. Then it will ask for the reboot the system, reboot the virtual machine. So once it will reboot, it will come up with R80.40 image. So we can easily log in your devices, access through GUI, and it depends upon you, like if you want to make as a gateway only, or SMS, or like a standalone device like SMS or gateway both together. So it's up to you, guys. Until now, I can show you, like, how how to download the R80 image. So just go on the Google, and here we can type like R80.40 image download. So it will go for the checkpoint website. Just go there. See here, you are here for R80.40 fresh install. So if you are doing fresh install, at that time this image required. If you are doing upgrade kinds of thing, then it will not required. For upgrade, we need to first log in your support center, checkpoint support center account. Try to sign in with help of your account, and at that times that image should be tar1. So here it is .iso, right? But in the times of upgradation, suppose we are doing from R80.40 to R80.10, so R81.10 image should be .tar at the end. Okay, so try to download that image, import in your firewall. How you can import? Try to do with the help of WinSCP. Try to access your firewall through WinSCP and keep your image in any of the directory, and rest we can do as per your requirement. So in next video, I will try to upgrade this firewall from R80.40 to R80.10. So I will also upload that video. Okay. So it's installing. It is almost 91% complete. So this is best practice. Always try to do in your lab, get it confidence, and then try to do in productions. So it will give more confidence, guys. We can do any wrong thing here. We can increase the size, we can remove anything, we can delete anything, but production we can't do anything. So if you do in your lab environment, then if you are going to try in production, it will give you more confidence. And alone we can handle all the things. So like for upgrading a gateway in LV current, 20 GB space would be required. So we can try in lab how can I increase if it is not 20 GB, then we need to increase the hard disks and then try to use that space in LV current. So I will also make one video like how to increase LV current size. And suppose we have 20 GB on allocated space available in your firewall virtual machine, and if you want to use that space in LV current, how we can use it. So I will also show you that like how we can use on unallocated space in LV current. Suppose we have 10 GB, 20 GB free space available, on allocated space available, and you are planning to upgrade the firewall, and for upgrade it requires 20 GB. So how we can use that space, how we can increase our LV current. So I will also make video like how to use that space in our firewall. So now it is asking for login. So just put admin123, right? You can line out host name. I'm just putting host name like gateway rat.40, and then we can easily save config. Okay, done. And we can easily, if you type this IP here, like HTTPS 192.168.137.103, so we can easily access that firewall, and we can give you like credential, and then it will ask for the first wizard configurations. So in first wizard configuration, it depends upon you guys. Like if you want to make this firewall as a security gateway only, or SMS security management server, or both, like a standalone device. So I'm just giving my primary DNS is 192.168.137.2, and this setting we can keep as per your requirement. Click here. It depends upon you. Like if you want to keep this as a security gateway only or security management both. So I'm just keeping a security gateway. Click on next. Next. Activation queue you can keep as per your requirement. I'm just keeping admin123 and finish. So it will go for the reboot, and once reboot, it will go for all the configurations, and after all the things set up, it will go for the reboot. And after reboot, your RAT.40 gateway will be ready. So this is the way, guys, to import your RAT.40 or RAT1.10 or RAT1.20 image in VMware virtual machine. And after installation, all the things, it will come up like this. So I hope you guys, enjoy these lessons. And in next lecture, I will try to upgrade this firewall from RAT.40 to RAT1.10, and I will also upload that video on my channel. So if you guys like this video, try to subscribe it, try to share so that everyone can enjoy this lecture. Everyone can learn how to import, how to do first time config. And if you have any questions, we can put in the comments, and I will try to give answer to you guys. Thanks.